Hi, Jim. Where do you go to school?
I go to school at URI.
Do you live off campus?
Yes, I do.
Do you own a car?
No, I do not.
Well, then how do you get to school?
Well, I usually carpool with either one of my 4 roommates, other roommates, and usually if I don't have that as an option, I find one of my friends to get a ride from.
Great, great. Now, how many days do you go to campus?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, every day of the week.
Wow, so you must carpool every day.
Every single day, there and back.
Now, do you think that helps with the environment?
Yes, it does. It helps cut down greenhouse gases, and if you carpool with a full car, that cuts down 4 other people having to drive, or eventually 5. So it's either 1 car going to campus and back, or 5, which 1 car actually sounds so much better than that.
Yeah, and it also saves money from gas and traffic too, huh?
Which if I did have a car, I'd probably have no money, so.
Yeah, so that works out for you.
But yeah.
Now, would you ever consider taking the Ripta bus?
The Ripta bus is something else, but I mean, if it's the only option I have, yeah, $2 isn't really that much money. So, and if it's taking me to where I want to go, yeah, of course I can.
Definitely. Well, thank you, Luke. Jim?
You can just cut that part out.